Looking for the perfect holiday feast recipe? Imagine a table laden with a mouth-watering roast leg of lamb, surrounded by flavorful side dishes, the essence of holiday cheer wafting through the air. This, dear friends, is the epitome of a traditional holiday feast. Picture this: a succulent bone-in leg of lamb, marinated in a melange of fresh herbs and spices, slow roasted to perfection. It's not just a dish, it's a culinary journey that brings together families and friends and creates memories that last a lifetime. So how does one create such a gastronomic masterpiece? It's simpler than you might think. The key lies in the quality of ingredients and the love you pour into preparing it. Start with a fresh, high-quality leg of lamb. It's the star of the show after all. Next, the marinade. Combine freshly chopped rosemary, thyme, and garlic with a generous pour of olive oil. Add a dash of salt and pepper and mix it all together. Now it's time to introduce the lamb to the marinade. Massage the herb mixture into the meat, ensuring it's well coated. This isn't just about flavor, it's about creating a bond between the meat and the marinade. Once marinated, allow the lamb to rest. This is when the magic happens. The flavors mingle, the aromas intensify. After a couple of hours, it's time for the lamb to meet the oven. Roast it at a moderate temperature, allowing the heat to slowly cook the meat, locking in the juices and flavors. While the lamb is roasting, turn your attention to the side dishes. A medley of roasted vegetables, potatoes, carrots, and Brussels sprouts, lightly tossed in olive oil, salt, and pepper. A fresh green salad with a zesty vinaigrette, and of course, a basket of warm, crusty bread to mop up the delicious juices. To summarize, start with a quality leg of lamb. Create a flavorful marinade, massage it into the meat, and allow it to rest. Roast it slowly and serve it with a selection of side dishes. But remember, the secret ingredient in any holiday feast is the love and joy shared among those gathered around the table. So, this holiday season, create a feast that will be remembered not just for its flavors, but for the memories it helps create. And there you have it, a traditional holiday feast, complete with the roast leg of lamb and all the trimmings. From the aroma of the roasting lamb to the taste of the tender, flavorful meat, this is a meal that encapsulates all the warmth and joy of the holiday season. So go ahead, take this recipe, make it your own, and create a holiday feast that will be remembered for years to come. After all, it's not just about the food, it's about the memories you create around the table.